The ET Explainer. Today's topic: why heat wave in Leh poses a risk and is forcing airlines to cancel flights. Leh, surrounded by towering Himalayan ranges, is typically known for its cold climate, but it's now grappling with an unusual heat wave that has even disrupted air travel. Indigo recently cancelled flights to and from Leh. ET explains why it is a risk to operate flights in extreme heat in airports in high altitudes. What's happening in Leh? Indigo had to cancel flights as extreme heat made the high altitude air in Leh too thin for safe operations. Indigo flight operations to and fro from Leh have been impacted due to the prevailing high outside air temperature in Leh, which is beyond the airline's control. An airline spokesperson said the Kushok Bakula Rinpoche Airport in Leh, located at 10,682 feet above sea level, has a maximum operating temperature limit of 32 degrees Celsius for Boeing 737 aircraft. Why is temperature such a concern? When an aircraft starts moving, the shape of its wings helps create lower air pressure above the wings than the pressure which is under them, generating the force or lift that allows the flight to take off. In high altitude environments, the already lower air density is compounded by rising temperatures, making the air even thinner. Thus, aircraft require greater speed to generate sufficient lift, which in turn necessitates longer runways for a safe takeoff. An Air India pilot explained. Additionally, the reduced air density impacts engine performance, as jet engines depend on air intake for optimal thrust. Consequently, planes may need to operate at reduced loads or even face cancellations if the runway is not long enough to accommodate the increased requirements. This scenario poses significant operational challenges as aircraft struggle to perform efficiently under such conditions. The runway in Leh Airport is 2,754 meters long. Why is there a heat wave in Leh? The heat wave in Leh is indicative of broader climate change effects on the region. Experts point out that Ladakh has seen a noticeable increase in average temperatures over the past few decades, with significant glacier melt impacting local water systems and infrastructure. Ladakh is experiencing more warm days and increased rainfall, which affects glaciers and the local ecosystem, an expert says. How would it impact tourism and the local economy? What can be done? Frequent flight cancellations can disrupt tourism in Leh, leading to economic losses. There may be increased pressure to develop alternative transportation options and enhance infrastructure to mitigate these disruptions, according to local economic analysis. The situation also underscores the need for advancements in aircraft technology and infrastructure to manage extreme weather conditions. Further, future aircraft may require improved engines, cooling systems, and materials to operate effectively in high temperatures. Airlines may also need to adjust flight schedules to avoid peak heat periods as suggested by industry specialists. What is the way forward? Addressing these challenges will require a coordinated effort from airlines, airports, meteorological agencies, and government. Investing in research, technology, and infrastructure is crucial to adapt to the changing climate and ensure safe and efficient air travel under extreme conditions. The current heat wave in Leh highlights the escalating impacts of climate change. Effective adaptation strategies will be essential in managing the aviation challenges posed by such extreme weather events.